Welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, you know that Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week, and today we do have a guest, and it is all things home on a budget. Her theme is white. You can either use silver or gold accents. Now, she did ask us to use either melamine, plastic, or paper incorporated in the tablescape, and it can be either indoor or outdoor. Wow, let's get started. Now, what I also wanted to say is this tablescape basically is all Dollar Tree items. Now, what I did want to do today is keep it so simple, minimalistic, but I wanted to use some decor pieces that I purchased from the Dollar Tree that kept everything nice and white. And yes, I still incorporated the gold and the silver. So I hope you like my tablescape. All right, so what I did want to say is all of the candles used in this video did come from the Dollar Tree. The gold candle holder did come from Dollar Tree, but the clear ones that are next to the bouquet, those came from the Goodwill. Look how beautiful. The vase was DIY'd using BB Craft items, and the beautiful bouquet of flowers that are gorgeous were also Dollar Tree items. Okay, so I went over to the party section, and you won't believe the Dollar Tree has these beautiful melamine plates, and we're going to start taking this tablescape down so that you can see. So we have the wine glasses, and we have the beautiful marble napkins that I turned around and folded and placed in a fan inside of the wine glass. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm loving it. Then we're going to move on over to that beautiful leaf placemat in gold that came from the Dollar Tree. These plates were matching to the napkins, so this was perfect. And like I said, these melamine plates are not Dollar Tree items, but they were there, and they are such good quality. So here's the placemat. Let's start layering things back together. The flatware is the only thing that came from Party City, and I've had it for a while. They're so beautiful in the gold tone, perfect match to the placemats. Now we're going to start layering things back. So we're going to lay the melamine plate back, and then we'll place that paper plate. So I actually incorporated all three. We have melamine, paper, and plastic. Now those beautiful dessert plates over to the left in a flower shape were thrifted plates. I couldn't help myself. I had to place them on the table. Now you can never go wrong with some greenery here and there. These candles, guys, were literally went from $3 to $1, and even the $5 candles at the Dollar Tree were selling for $1. So make sure and look out for that. So look at how gorgeous this beautiful bouquet of flowers and this vase turned out. I am absolutely loving the tablescape. It is minimalistic, but it's crisp, it's simple, and it's elegant. Now stay tuned because I am going to give you a more dim look, and let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.